Well, g'day, Max here again, welcome back to the shop. Well, we've had a little bit of viewer mail come in, some channel stickers off some guys, a couple from Australia, one from the US, so let's see what we've got here. We've got some stickers from Maddie's workshop, he's over in New South Wales, and Craig's workshop, he's over in Tasmania, and also from Utah, Washington, Woods Creek Workshop. So we'll get these mounted up on the board. Got a bit of room under here, so we'll mount them up there, eh? Okay, so here we go, no particular order. Craig's workshop over in Tasmania. Fit. Maddie's workshop over in New South Wales, so two good Australian channels we got there. Utah from Woods Creek Workshop in Washington. We'll put him up here, in between Vern and Bundy Bear, and Rob there. And Utah's little sticker, Woods Creek Workshop. I reckon we can squeeze him in right here. Okay. Okay, well that's our board as it is today. So we're getting a bit of a collection, quite a few of you guys getting your stickers up there. So that's always a good thing. Now we have two new additions from Australia and one from the US. And my own one. I've just found one more. Hang on, let's get that set up. Stan Zinkowski's Hotshot 360 heat treatment ovens. Every workshop should have one. Wish I had one. Actually, I probably can't even afford the freight to get it here to Australia. So, but you never know, that might change one day. So. Okay, well that concludes our update of the sticker board. So if you're interested in doing a sticker trade, here's my email there. And send us an email and we'll work something out. I'll send you over one of mine anywhere, and you might send me one of yours. Okay, so what we might do now, we might just pop up the block and just a quick update on the new shed construction. But before we head up there, I was watching another video, Tony, over in the UK, and he had a video on his new camera mount. Now I use a busted ass old Servo's tripod, and it's a pain in the ass. So Tony's come up with this idea that he uses, and I think I'm going to go something similar along his lines. So this is where I'm at. I'll swing you down, we'll have a look. Okay, so what I have here is a base off a pedestal fan I found in the bin at work. I actually thought I'd missed it. I thought they'd emptied the bin. So it has the adjustable height there, and I think we'll build an arm that comes off up at an angle so we can mount a camera on it. So we'll get onto that one shortly, as my current stand, which is a total pain in the butt, is an old surveying tripod. It does the job, it's just painful to use. So we'll get the other one sticker board. Yeah, we'll get the other one all sorted out and see how we go. Well, the sun's just about to poke its head up. It's just after 6 AM here in Perth, Western Australia. All this grass should be green. I should be mowing this, well, I should have already been mowing this once or twice already, but the water, we've had bugger all rainwater here in Perth this winter, over winter. So only half of our annual rainfall. It's not even nowhere near summer yet, and everything's already drying out to buggery. So we had a big fire all day yesterday, just burning off the excess trimmings from the trees and whatnot. Yeah, I should have been mowing all these paddocks by now, and not happening. I'll give it one quick mow today. We'll bring you around, we'll check out the new shed site. Okay, so we've started clearing the grass out for the shed pad. So this is about half the amount we have to clear. Probably in the middle of the screen there's another marker peg. We've got to go as far up as there and down to that little yellow peg down there. So what we do is all the grass and roots, and we've got to dig all of those out, and then we backfill this area. I'm going to use quarry dust or cracker dust, so that compacts down pretty hard as like a base course for the concrete to go on. So that'll be a layer of about 200 mil, 8 inches approximately, and then the concrete will go on top of that. So the concrete will be 6-inch concrete. So I'm standing in the middle of our hard stand area out the front of the shop at the moment. So this is, I'm standing out looking out the shop entrance. And this just goes up to the driveway that we completed a while back. Yeah, so we're getting there. Progress is happening. Sun's coming up. Another beautiful morning out in the block, Western Australia. So this is my old tractor, backhoe. This is what I used to do all my earthworks with. Old beast. And this is a comb that I made up some time ago for getting the grass out, and I also use it to do my fire breaks. It takes a while to do the fire breaks with them, but it's all I've got at the moment. She's due for a lot of work once we get the new shed completed. The power steering valve pouring out oil underneath there, so I'll have to get a new valve from Lance Bundy Bear over in Queensland there. And the oldest little one here, that's my lawnmower. That's what we do our 9 acres with. Takes a few days, but she gets it done. It's just a cheapie I picked up, so cool bonnet emblem. A John Deere Sabre. 42-inch, does the job easy. So you don't want a flash mower around here, because when we first bought this property there was a lot of bricks and concrete in several spots in the grass and tree branches. You know, you're mowing over roots and all sorts of rubbish, so this one here does the job perfect. So the sun's coming up on our trees, the big mulberry tree in the background over there. Not mulberry, fig tree, sorry. Mulberry tree's behind me, so we'll show you a shot of that one. Well, it's that time of year again here in Perth, Western Australia. Looks to me like one dugite skin found in the backyard, just a couple of metres away from the house. Okay, just a quick view of the plans of the shed. There's an end view, so there'll be windows up here facing north. So our shed area here, looking end on, will have a big roller door in the middle at the end. So this is a 10-metre wall from here to here, and then the roof extends out, and we have a 3-metre enclosed, like a lean-to or veranda area on either of the long sides. So that's just a view looking from the other end. So the looking side on, so we'll put a few windows up here to catch the north facing sun, and I'll have a roller door probably in the middle, just around this area here. And rear view, be another roller door goes in here. So I've designed this myself, and what I've done is I've sent my design to a structural engineering company, and they've done all the engineering drawings and the stress, related stuff, so everything will work. But this actual roof design, the shape of this with the windows in there, is called a celestial design roof, and I'll have no poles on the inside, so the rafters and all that then get braced as per this design here, where they meet up in the middle there. So we'll have a 6-inch concrete slab, and I'll put that on probably 250 mil of compacted crusher dust or cracker dust. So there you have it, that's where we're at. Oh, and it's all of the actual shed components, because it's a custom design by myself. I can't go and just buy anything off the shelf. The shed company will make this shed for me if I want to, off these plans, but it'll cost me extra, so I'll just make everything up myself. So I'll make all the columns and all the roof components and just do it all myself. So that's where we're at. Bloody noisy truck.